Let's be honest, your sofa is bored, you are got the grey cushion, the beige throw, and that mass produce look that everyone else has. But what if your home felt less like a showroom and more like a hug? Welcome back, Decor lovers. Today we aren't just looking at the pillows, we are looking at textile art. I have created a collection of crochet pillow designs that are trending right now on Etsy and Shopify. Designs that turn a simple chair into a statement piece, whether you are a fellow maker looking for inspo and shopper looking for that missing piece. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you will see why crochet is the ultimate interior design cheat code for 2026. First up, let's talk about the minimalist. A lot of people think crochet has to be granny square, wild, but look at the monochrome textures. Using stitches like bubble stitches or alpine stitches, create a 3D effect that catches the light beautifully. If you are selling these online, remember texture is filling. On Shopify or Etsy, use customer can touch the yarn, so your photo have to do the filling for them. The earthy tones, terracotta sage, cream and the top sellers because they fit into the almost any home palette while adding that handmade warmth that a factory made pillow just can't replicate. Now let's flip the script. The retro revival is huge right now. We are seeing a massive comeback of 70s aesthetic, but with a modern twist. Think oversized sunflower motifs, checkered patterns, and bold dopamine decor colors. These are pieces that stop the scroll if you're a seller. These are your hero products. They are photographed incredibly well for Instagram and TikTok. Pro tip, pair these with a mid-century modern furniture in your listing photos. The contrast between the sleek wood and the chunky colorful yarn is pure eye-catchy. Who says a pillow has to be square? This is where you can literally stand out in its round mandalas, pillow and bohemian soulful vibe to a bedroom. Or look at the knot pillows made from chunky tube